Learn English with your Instill.
Why are you moving?
I got a better job offer there.
Why are you moving?
I got a better job offer there.
Can I stay with you?
Yes. The guest room is free.
Can I stay with you?
Yes. The guest room is free.
Need a ride?
Yes, thanks. I'll be ready at 7.
Need a ride?
Yes, thanks. I'll be ready at 7.
Want to grab lunch?
Sure. Where should we meet?
Want to grab lunch?
Sure. Where should we meet?
Coming to Christmas dinner?
Yes, I'll bring dessert.
Coming to Christmas dinner?
Yes, I'll bring dessert.
Why miss the wedding?
I was sick that day.
Why miss the wedding?
I was sick that day.
What's your gift idea?
I'm getting them a book.
What's your gift idea?
I'm getting them a book.
Who's cooking Thanksgiving?
Mom is. At her house.
Who's cooking Thanksgiving?
Mom is. At her house.
Can you host the party?
Yes, my place next Saturday.
Can you host the party?
Yes, my place next Saturday.
Will you marry me?
Yes, I will.
Will you marry me?
Yes, I will.
When's the wedding?
We're planning for June.
When's the wedding?
We're planning for June.
Living together first.
Yes, let's try it.
Living together first.
Yes, let's try it.
Meet my parents?
I'd love to meet them.
Meet my parents?
I'd love to meet them.
Joint bank account?
Yes, for shared expenses.
Joint bank account?
Yes, for shared expenses.
Want kids someday?
Yes, 2 or 3.
Want kids someday?
Yes, 2 or 3.
Ready for a baby?
Let's wait another year.
Ready for a baby?
Let's wait another year.
Who's watching the kids?
My mom will babysit.
Who's watching the kids?
My mom will babysit.
Public or private school?
Let's look at both options.
Public or private school?
Let's look at both options.
Family vacation plans?
Disney World this summer.
Family vacation plans?
Disney World this summer. Need alone time?
Yes, just for an hour.
Need alone time?
Yes, just for an hour.
Why so quiet?
Just thinking about things.
Why so quiet?
Just thinking about things.
Can we talk later?
Yes, after dinner.
Can we talk later?
Yes, after dinner.
Everything okay?
Just having a rough day.
Everything okay?
Just having a rough day.
Want to talk about it?
Not right now, thanks.
Want to talk about it?
Not right now, thanks.
Working late again?
Big project due tomorrow.
Working late again?
Big project due tomorrow.
Too busy to visit?
I'll make time next weekend.
Too busy to visit?
I'll make time next weekend.
Miss Family Dinner?
Sorry, stuck in a meeting.
Miss Family Dinner?
Sorry, stuck in a meeting.
Cancel our plans?
Something urgent came up.
Cancel our plans?
Something urgent came up.
Why always working?
Trying to get a promotion.
Why always working?
Trying to get a promotion.
Where were you?
At work, like I said.
Where were you?
At work, like I said.
With who?
Just friends from college.
With who?
Just friends from college.
Why didn't answer?
Was in a meeting.
Why didn't answer?
Was in a meeting.
Tell me the truth.
Okay, here's what happened.
Tell me the truth.
Okay, here's what happened.
Promise?
Yes, I promise.
Promise?
Yes, I promise.
Thanks for watching. Do like the video, share this to your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.